Are you tired of struggling to make money online? Look no further. In this video, I will unveil the best and easiest way to make money online in 2023. Get ready to transform your financial future. In first step, you need to open link form comment section or from description. Then press green button to claim your welcome bonus of $5 and create your account. You are asking how it's work? Easy and simple. You just need your mobile phone and stable internet connection. This application will use your unused internet and you will be paid for that. For 1 gigabyte of your internet you will get 20 cents. Plus you can connect more than one device. You also have referral program to increase your earnings. This is easiest way to make money in 2023. You don't need expiry ink and you don't need to invest nothing. Everything is free. If you like this video, please leave like and subscribe for more content like this.